Welcome to Tejas channels, and today we learn how to download the satellite images from this UIGS. So just type this UIGS in your Google and just enter. Then we reach this new window, and here we see this UIGS. Just click on this Earth Explorer. So just after click on this Earth Explorer, we reach the main UIGS official website. This is the Earth Explorer. So this is the interface of this UIGS website we can see here. Now we are seeing these options, and now we are click on this login button. So this login button is behind this logo, and this login button we are click on this login button and we move to our next window. So here I am just click on this login button. So this login button I will show in this red mark. This is login button, so you have to just click on that. After click on that, we reach to our new windows. This is your login interface, and here register UIGS username and password asking. If you not register with UIGS, you can watch the registration with this UIGS, how to create an account in UIGS. So description I will provide this link for this video. So here I am already registered with UIGS. So here I am typing my username and password and just click on this sign in button, and we wait and we will see this whole new interface of this UIGS. So here we see this is the right corner. We seen your login ID. So here we watch our login ID. We can see here. Now next we select the data. Okay, which data you have to want. So first we select this area. So here the select the geodesic methods, and we can see this whole interface look. So we can see here this whole world in Earth Explorer. So here I want to search this Satara city. That's why I am selecting on this feature option GNS and click on that. After click on this, we seen this option. So here I am select the address and place and just type my place. Those we want the satellite images. So here I am type this Satara, and then I am click on the show button. Okay, so after click on the show button, we can see here. So I am just checking this Satara is correct place is showing here. I am click on this Satara and Maharashtra place. Okay, so here I am just click on that, and we seen this latitude longitude of this Satara regions. So now I am zoom in this region. So here we can see clearly this Satara regions. Now next steps to select the data from which date to you have. So here we send this data range option. So here I am just putting this from to date for this particular data range. So you can select any date. So here I am selecting March 1st 2022 September 1st 2020. So in this date between we want this satellite data. Then click on this data set. After click on this data set, we seen this new interface. In this new interface, we select this data sets which you have to want. So here number of data formats are available. Now for this Landsat images, I am click on this Landsat options. After click on this Landsat options, we seen these two different options with their Landsat collection 1 and Landsat legacy. So here I am clicked on first. If you seen the first, click on that, we can see this many option. This Landsat collection level 1, Landsat C1 analysis data, Landsat collection 2 on demand. So this on demand data is majorly we are getting on our demand. Okay, so this data will be getting for required 2 or 3 days. So it is when you request to this UIGS, then it is available in 1 or 2 days. So here we can see this is a different option which can which we see here. So we don't want this satellite images, so here I'm only show you. So this Landsat collection 1 level data, just click on that, and in this data we seen this Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 4 and 5, and Landsat 1 to 5. This is the whole satellites images which we are available in this collection immediately. So here I'm selecting second the Landsat 7 data for this downloading. So after click on that, just click on this result. After click this result, it taking some time, and we see this new interface. So here we can see different Landsat images. When you select this satellite images, that times you have to check this cloud free images. So here I am selecting this cloud free images, and first and second we seen this cloud, so that's why I'm not select this. So here we seen this is the virtual view, preview view of these satellite images. So just I'm click on this download button, and after click on this download button, it's loading, and we can see this new options. So here this natural colors, thermal quality images, images geographics references, and GeoTIFF product. So basically this Landsat images which we this satellite images we are downloading for this last option, but it is the size of the satellite images is large here. And so for your just in understanding, I am downloading the first image because it's 10 MB. So you can any images you have to download from this option. So here I am download first, and after click on this download button, it takes some time, and at this left corner bottom we seen here this downloading process is working. And after completing these processes, this download processes, we just open this image. Okay, so after complete that, we seen this image. In this download, just open this image, and here we done. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe my Tejas channel for the